One of the things I've wanted to do with my bench grinder is to put a light right there. Not that you can see all of that. But to put a light right there. So I can put it over my work area on both sides, be able to see, and if I put a second bench grinder on this side, I can put it over here and see that. But these came from my brother's, and we don't have the clamps for them. Well, let's try this. I'm gonna put a hole right there and stick that down in there. Now you can order replacement base clamps for these lights, which I did not think was a thing, but thank you, Amazon. You can buy replacement parts for everything. And you can get 2 of them for less than 10 bucks. I've got 2 lights. I've got part of a base on one. I've got part of a base someplace else. If the hole in the block of wood will work to hold this in place, then why not give it a shot? I'm not being precise with any of this. I believe that's where I had the hole a moment ago. Somewhere in there. That is on high. I don't want to tear out the underside, so I'm just going to take my time. Did pretty good. Minimal blowout. No, that's as far as it goes. It only had enough room to insert that drill bit and tighten it down. And it's nice and tight. I think that'll work just fine. Oh wait, you can't see that. There. I think that'll work just fine. That's on that side. And then I can rotate it, come over here. So yeah, I can get that right there. And then to come around to this side, rotate it just as easily. So I think that's a pretty good idea. We'll find out sometime in the future. As long as I don't run into anything turning it, I think that would be the direction to turn it. That'll be good. So far I'm using the wire wheel more than anything else. So as I mentioned earlier, these things are relatively inexpensive. They're about $30. The clamp set's about $5 for a replacement set. You can pick these up used at a garage sale or a secondhand store, or you may, ask somebody and they've got a couple sitting around in their garage. So a cheap fix, you can put an LED bulb in here, 100 watts or so, and it'll give you light for days. This one's got the tiny little rotary switch on the back, which is what I'm most accustomed to. And the other one that I have, the red one, instead of it having a small little switch like that, what you see in the video, it's got a disc with the switch goes through it, and so you've got a much larger interface to turn, which is really cool. I've never seen one of those. I clean these up, dust and dirt and soot and spray paint and all that other fun stuff. Springs are in good shape. The little cams work just fine. The cords, they're lamp cords. I mean, that's not very heavy duty wire, and it's only expected to do so much. But these will make for plenty of illumination for this one little workstation. So, thanks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.